Welcome to Oracle Utilities' digital self-service demo of providing customer support. We'll be featuring the Web User Summary Zone and CSR Masquerade and how they can help your staff provide support to digital self-service customers. In today's utilities, customer service representatives, or CSRs, must move fast. They need an efficient and secure way to understand a caller's request so they can quickly answer questions or resolve errors that customers may have encountered. The ideal solution for CSRs is one with the least amount of context switching and the fewest number of clicks. In previous iterations, CSRs had a unique system to log into to provide customer support, which required additional setup, training, and management. Now, instead of logging into a separate system, performing a second customer search, and then masquerading as the customer, we've centralized the functionality in the Oracle Utilities system that CSRs work in most, which include customer care and billing, customer to meter, or customer cloud service. Masquerading has become an extension of the CSR's call workflow. With Masquerade, CSRs can access the new Web User Summary Zone to see all of the web users and accounts linked to a person in one place, understand the web user's role and relationship with the utility, and understand if the web user is financially responsible. They can unlink a web user or unlink and delete a web user from the account so the customer no longer sees the account online. By masquerading as a web user, the CSR can see and do exactly what the customer can see and do in their online account during a call. The power of digital self-service's deep integration with other Oracle systems means speed, context, and security for your organization. CSRs start from the system they know best. They don't have to go to great lengths to try to understand the issue the customer is calling about, and they don't have to ask customers for their web login credentials in order to recreate their scenario. This solution authenticates CSRs into digital self-service by passing a secure token into their browser session. This demo will show this use case scenario in action. From Control Central Search, you can search for an account, then navigate to the Customer Information tab. This loads the Web User Summary Zone. The zone includes the web user first name, account info, web user's account role, relationship type, whether they're financially responsible or not, required tasks, which is a list of open self-service tasks, and then an action menu, including Masquerade, Unlink, and Unlink and Delete. To masquerade as a customer, click the Masquerade link. This opens DSS in a new browser window and shows a CSR that they're masquerading as a specific user at the top of the page. From here, the CSR can see and do exactly what the customer can see and do on this account. If a CSR chooses to make a payment on behalf of the customer, by default, credit card payments will be inactive during a Masquerade session. This is configurable, so utilities can choose to allow their CSRs to make a credit card payment on behalf of a customer during their Masquerade session. Once the CSR has answered the customer's questions and helped them with their account, they can close the session and return to CC&B. CSRs can use the required tasks filter to open self-service tasks that are in a non-final status. This allows the CSR to open the service task that may need to be worked in order to help this customer. This concludes our demo.